It's important to care for the paint on your new or used vehicle to keep it looking its best, both short and long term. But with all the different detailing products available, choosing the right solutions for your paint on your car can become complicated and even overwhelming very quickly. That's why Meguiar's developed a simple process. Once you understand our 5 steps to paint care, selecting the right products will be much easier. Step 1. Washing. Washing removes loose contaminants like dust, dirt, and road film that settle on top of clean paint. We always recommend using a high-quality Meguiar's car wash. This ensures it's pH balanced and optimized for washing automotive surfaces, while also preserving wax protection and other beneficial nutrients. Stay away from dish detergents and other relatively harsh wash solutions not intended for cars, as they will dry out the paint finish and remove or diminish existing wax protection. If you're doing a classic bucket and hose wash, Meguiar's Ultimate Wash and Wax is a great choice, as it'll gently clean your paint, boost gloss, and leave additional wax protection behind each time you use it. If you prefer washing with a foam cannon, Meguiar's Gold Class Car Wash Shampoo and Conditioner foams great and will gently clean and condition paint without removing wax protection. If you don't have access to a hose, a great alternative to traditional washing is Meguiar's Ultimate Waterless Wash and Wax. Just spray on and wipe gently with a clean, premium microfiber towel like Meguiar's Supreme Shine microfiber towels. With a second clean microfiber, wipe dry, then flip your towel for a final wipe. We recommend washing your vehicle at least once a week to keep it looking its best and free of contaminants. Also, always be sure to wash your car in the shade and make sure the surface is cool to the touch. This will help reduce water spots and streaking during the drying process. Step 2. Cleaning and prepping. The cleaning step removes defects like oxidation, stains, swirls, overspray, and even environmental fallout. It's essential for achieving crystal clear reflections and maximizing long-lasting protection. Depending on the condition of your car, the cleaning step can usually be done with a clay system like our new Hybrid Ceramic Quick Clay Kit or our classic Smooth Surface Clay Kit to remove contaminants that have bonded on top of the paint. After these above-surface contaminants have been removed, it's time to focus on the below-surface defects in the paint like swirls and scratches. Defect removal by hand or dual-action polisher is simple when using a clear coat safe paint cleaner like Meguiar's Ultimate Compound. Keep in mind, if the paint on your car is smooth to the touch and doesn't have any defects, swirls, or hazing, you can skip the cleaning step and go right to polishing or waxing. Step 3. Polishing. It's important to note that using a polish, like Meguiar's Ultimate Polish, is an optional step that is designed to bring out maximum gloss and depth of shine. If you have a dark-colored vehicle and you are looking for the deepest gloss possible, you'll want to apply Ultimate Polish before applying wax. Step 4. Waxing. Applying a quality wax like Meguiar's Ultimate Wax or Gold Class Carnauba Plus is the best way to protect your newly clean finish from contaminants. It provides a sacrificial barrier between your car's paint and the environment to maintain its new appearance longer. Whether you use a liquid or a paste, we recommend waxing your vehicle at least 3 to 4 times per year to ensure you have maximum protection at all times. For this step, Meguiar's also has advanced options that deliver longer-lasting protection beyond conventional wax. These products, like our new Hybrid Ceramic Platform or Synthetic Polymer-based platform, use cutting-edge technology to push the boundaries of traditional wax. For extreme durability that employs our latest SiO2-based technology, Meguiar's Hybrid Ceramic Wax is now available in both spray and liquid formats. Both are extremely easy to use and offer some of the latest technology available for outstanding protection and water-beating performance. If time's a concern, another great option that offers protection and a brilliant shine is Meguiar's Ultimate Quick Wax. Simply spray on and wipe off with a clean, high-quality microfiber towel for a brilliant shine and long-lasting protection. Step 5. Maintaining. This step is all about keeping your car looking better longer, so you don't have to do the previous 4 steps as often. Using a spray detailer like Meguiar's Ultimate Quick Detailer or new Hybrid Ceramic Detailer is the easiest way to remove light dust or fingerprints on a regular basis. Simply mist on and wipe off to give your car's exterior a longer, just detailed look. In addition, spray detailers and spray waxes are a great way to maintain and extend the life of paint protection films and coatings. Now that you understand the 5 steps to paint care, it will be easy to choose the right products and obtain even better results every time you detail your car. For additional detailing tips and techniques, visit Meguiars.com or check us out on Instagram and Facebook.